Sometimes I just sit here and watch you while you're sleeping, and I wonder how a man like me ended up this lucky. You aren't just a part of my life, you are the reason for it. I don't have fancy poetry, just these words in a heart that's full. I know I don't always say it right, and I get lost in the noise of everything out there. But when the world goes quiet, you're the only thing that's real. It's not about where we've been or the things we've gathered. It's the way you look at me when I've got nothing left to give. You're the only one who sees the man behind the mask. I love you, not just for the easy days, but for every storm we've weathered. I love you with every piece of me, even the parts that are broken. You are my anchor, my breath, my entire world in front of God and everyone. I'm saying it today, I love you forever and right now. And finding the perfect match, but there is no secret. There's just the way you laugh at nothing, the way you know what I'm thinking before I even speak. I know I'm not the easiest man to hold on to, but you do it anyway without a single doubt in your eyes. It's not about the destination or where we're going next. It's the way you hold my hand when it's too dark to see the path. You're the reason I still believe in grace. I love you, not just for the easy days, but for every storm we weathered. I love you with every piece of me, even the parts that are broken. You are my anchor, my breath, my entire world in front of God and everyone. I'm saying it today, I love you forever and right now. If I lost everything tomorrow, if my voice went silent and the world faded away, my heart would still be calling out your name, because you saved me from the person I used to be. You taught me what it means to actually be alive. But for every storm we weathered, I love you with every piece of me, even the parts that are broken. You are my anchor, my breath, my entire world in front of God and everyone. I'm saying it today, I love you forever and right now. I love you, just you, for the rest of time.